Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the controller camera sensitivity in System Shock 2. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, then we're going to go to controls and then scroll down to the controller section and find look speed horizontal and look speed vertical. So these are the two options that adjust the sensitivity. So if you want to lower it, you just drag the slider to the left of each option. Or if you want it faster, just drag it to the right. And once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.